let's draw the spur gear in front of us. Since our dimensions are in millimeters, so you're gonna go on new day, metric, standards, millimeters, and then you say create. Here we are going to start with circles. Okay, we're going to go step by step. Easy and simple way to draw it. So our third circle comes and our fourth circle is there. So now this one here needs to be 75 millimeters, so 75. That one there needs to be 120, so 120. This one here needs to be 261, and that one will be 300 millimeters, so 300. Now that we have this in place, okay, we're gonna come here and click on ellipse. Now our ellipse needs to come like this. Okay, there we go. That is a big one, and we need to make sure that this one here is 18.5. 18.5. Okay, don't worry about it. You are getting there. And you need to draw this line there. Okay, there we go. And this one here needs to be 22 millimeters, so 22. Okay, and then you need to draw another line here from here to there. Okay, and this one here needs to be, because that is your point of contact of your gear, so this one there needs to be 37, so 37. Good. Now that you have that in place, you need to make sure that from there to here you have 178.5. You see, now you have the frame of your spur gear. Now you come here, you draw your keyway. So this one here needs to be 14 millimeters, so 14. And from here to there you need 7. Okay, 7 millimeters. Okay, there you go. Now you need to make sure that from there to here you have 47.5. 47.5. That is good. Now that you have this, the next thing that you need to do now is to go on 3D model. You go on 3D model, you click on extrude. Okay, now you need to extrude this part here. Will be extruded by 200 millimeters. Okay, both sides of our drawing plane. Then after that we're gonna say plus. We are going to extrude by starting by that's one. So to avoid complication, you can put 1 there because you need to see everything there. Then we go for this one, that's one, that's one, by 160. Both sides of the drawing plane, as you can see. Right now you say okay, so you need now to go on circular pattern. You choose that one against your axis. Okay, it's X. Okay, so you need to have 13 of this. There we go. Now you say okay, so what you can do now is to choose your material. You go on generic there. Now you're gonna go for let's say steel alloy. Then you have your spur gear in front of us, or in front of you. It was a pleasure of mine sharing this video with you. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're gonna enjoy it. For now, I will ask you to take care of yourself. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. See you on the next video. Bye.